Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the concrete account data from Pepperstone, server name, numeric login ID, and your trading password. Download and install the Mt5 client for Windows, Mac OS, or mobile. Run the installer now. Once done, close competing trading programs to avoid port conflicts. Make sure your Pepperstone account type, live versus demo, and leverage settings are set so you know which server string to use. You need these prerequisites in hand before connecting Mt5. Don't proceed without them. Now you perform the actual login inside Mt5. Open file, then log into trade account on desktop, or open settings and log in on mobile. Type your numeric Pepperstone login ID and password exactly, then select the matching Pepperstone server from the list or paste the server string. Once you click Login, Mt5 connects and downloads symbols and history. Make sure to save the password only on secure devices. If connection stalls, toggle between demo and live servers, because account type must match server selection. Finish by verifying Mt5 displays a green connected status and that your account balance and positions appear on the Trade tab. Once connected, enable Show All in Market Watch to populate instrument symbols and refresh charts so price feeds stream in. If the login failed, double-check the numeric ID, password, and whether you selected demo or live server. Then restart Mt5 and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test. One key troubleshooting tip: if symbols remain blank, use Show All and reconnect. That fixes most feed issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.